It's the only thing that slowly stops the ache. But it's made of all the things I have to take. Jesus never ends. It works its way inside. If the pain goes on, I've waited as my time's elapsed. Now all I do is live with so much fate. I've wished for this, I've bitched at that. I've left behind this little fact: you cannot kill what you did not create. I've gotta say what I've gotta say, and then I swear I'll go away. But I can't promise you'll enjoy the noise. I guess I'll save the best for last. My future seems like one big past. You're left with me cause you left me no choice. I push my fingers into my eyes. It's the only thing that slowly stops me. If the pain goes on, I'm not gonna make it. Put me back together, or separate the skin from bone. Leave me all the pieces, then you can leave me alone. Tell me the reality is better than the dream, but I found out the hard way. Nothing is what it seems. I push my fingers into my eyes. It's the only thing that slowly stops me. But it's made of all the things I have to take. Jesus never ends. It works its way inside. If the pain goes on, I'm not gonna make it. All I've got is insane. 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 I push my fingers into my eyes. It's the only thing that slowly stops me. But it's made of all the things I have to take. Jesus never ends. It works its way inside. If the pain goes on, I'm not gonna make it. All I've got is insane. All I've got is insane. All I've got is insane. All I've got is insane.
Well, Mama told me when I was young, said sit beside me, my only son, and listen closely to what I say. And if you do this, it'll help you some sunny day. It will. Oh, take your time. Don't live live too fast, troubles will come and they will pass. You'll find a warm arm and you'll find love. And don't forget that there is a someone up above. And be a simple kind of man. Be something you love and understand. Baby, be a simple kind of man. Oh, won't you do this for me, son, if you can? Get your love from the rich man's gold. All that you need now is in your soul. And you can do this, oh baby, if you try. All that I want from you, my son, is to be satisfied and be a simple kind of man. Be something you love and understand. Baby, be a simple kind of man. Won't you do this for me, son, if you can? Oh, don't you worry, you'll find yourself. Follow your heart and nothing else.
All right, so today I ripped out my entire front suspension so I could put the new stuff in. So goodbye coil springs and weight and long travel stock suspension. This Bodie, the truck has nothing under it. It'll be on jack stands for, I'm guessing, 3 weeks to a month. But I made a huge mess that I have to clean up, but it was fun. I am disgustingly dirty. I don't know if you can tell, but everything's out, so a few more pieces to go. This support beam, whatever the hell you want to call it, needs to come out. I've got a new one. I need to cut a hole in the top of this for my actual coilover to go through. That's going to be interesting. And I think I'm going to replace my steering in the front because it's kind of sloppy, it's kind of worn. Might as well while everything's apart. So more to follow on that. You know, we'll see. So, but everything came out good. Everything looks good. It wore good over the years. So, you know, we're doing good business. So anyways, I'll tackle more next week, probably next weekend, get these off, get that hole cut, and go from there. So